Building a successful business means mastering your finances. That's exactly where Qonto steps in. It's not just a business bank account, it's a financial toolkit designed to streamline operations for freelancers, startups, and SMEs across Europe. So, what exactly does this all-in-one platform bring to the table? At its core, Qonto provides a fully digital business account. You get a local IBAN, a secure, intuitive mobile and web app, and powerful MasterCards, both physical and virtual, with real-time spending control for you and your team. Forget tedious bank visits, account opening is fast and entirely online. But the services go far beyond simple banking. Qonto is a serious upgrade for your administrative tasks, starting with bookkeeping and accounting. It helps you digitize your receipts by simply snapping a photo. That receipt is instantly linked to the correct transaction, ready for your accountant. You can even give your accountant read-only access for a seamless month-end close. Plus, it integrates with over 2,000 other business tools, making data export a breeze. Next is expense management. Say goodbye to piles of paper expense reports. You can order MasterCards for your employees, set customizable spending limits for each card, and automatically collect all receipts and invoices in one place. You stay in control, and your team gains autonomy. For cash flow, Qonto offers solutions to get paid and pay faster. This includes instant SEPA transfers and international transfers in various currencies. They even offer tools for invoicing, allowing you to create, send, and track professional customer invoices directly from the platform. For those needing a little flexibility, Qonto also provides access to financing options, like pay later solutions to cover supplier invoices. In short, Qonto combines your daily payments, your team's expense management, and your accounting prep, all into one powerful, simplified financial hub. It's about saving you time and giving you a clear, real-time picture of your business's health.